Today we're going to check out the Rode Wireless Pro microphones. These things are sick. Let's open up this box here and I'll just kind of show you what's inside. Pretty convenient looking. The packaging is pretty sweet on this. One of them has the transceivers and the receivers in them, and the case actually charges all your stuff. So that is super convenient. Everything can stay in one place and it's protected too. I love that. One of my favorite features of this is the 32-bit recording. If your volume's too high or if it's too low, it makes it really easy to fix the audio in post. So you have a lot more leniency. And the other thing is that each one of these transmitters has a record button, can record audio separately. So essentially, these two little transmitters are also professional recording devices. It's a really good way to have a backup just in case something goes wrong from the transmitter to the receiver to your camera. You got your two transmitters, then you have your one receiver. So the charging is in the back. You can see the USB-C there to plug it in. Over here this looks like the receiver. That's pretty cool. This one holds all your accessories. So let's open it up and see what's inside. All right. You got these cool magnetic clips so you can hide your transmitters a little easier in somebody's shirt, because sometimes people aren't wearing lapels that are easy to go on. You've got your USB-C cords. You can use that for charging or hooking to your phone. And right here you've got your TRS cable so you can connect it to a camera. And this looks like it's just a little cleaning cloth. That's kind of cool. And then you have your two lavalier mics. They look pretty heavy duty, and it's great that you have two. All right, and inside here, what's we got? Got your safety guide, be safe. And then you've got a few little knickknacks. You have some covers, wind protection for the lavaliers, and a couple other little doodads. And inside of here, you've got your dead kittens or wind protection that you can use on both the lavalier mics and on the transmitters themselves. And here's another USB cable. Guides, don't eat that. That keeps things dry. And that's it. But I love the packaging on all this stuff and how everything kind of fits together. I also love how small it is. So everything's gonna fit nicely into my camera kit and make life a little easier, I think.